Guys, Adrian here, so check it out. This is what just came in the mail. The Speck Candyshell iPhone X case. So notice they actually just rebranded the plus sticker. One case for iPhone XS for iPhone X. So they took the same case from last year and just put that little sticker on it. So if you have an iPhone X case from last year, don't need to upgrade at all. One of the reasons why I actually bought this was because of this military spec drop tested. So a lot of YouTubers, they actually did drop tests with this particular case, and they all noticed that this one, a lot of the iPhones, the screen especially, it survived. Now this is part one of the review. Part two will be using my note to actually put the case on the phone. So don't worry, part two is coming up really soon. But I just want you guys to just get a first impression and a little bit of the unboxing. So Candyshell fit, designed for impacts, 2 layers of protection and dure cautious. Okay, I suck at French. Alright, so let's check out the back. Dual layer drop protection, and this is the only reason why I bought this, because of that drop protection. Raised bezel screen protection, so it is slam certified, so you can slam down your phone, screen will not die. Soft touch adds secure grip hold, and you have that 3D hologram to know a real spec from a fake spec. And in Trinidad and Tobago, where I am right now, there is a ton of fake spec cases. So this one, I think it was 30 US on Amazon. Not a bad price. And let's do the unboxing. As you guys can see, this is why I bought it, because I love the bleep out of people. You have a cool little red at the top. It looks a little bit more pinkish and real, but whoa, this texture is smexy. So basically with this textured pattern, it'll be less likely to fall because of the amount of grip you have. These look like rainbow sprinkles. Like you take one of the donuts that Homer Simpson eats, and they actually have all these sprinkles, and you just put them on a case. And it's probably a teenage boy with some angst get one of those airbrush things and painted the case his own color. But yeah, hell yeah. So 2-layer protection. You have these little recesses in the case, so that also adds to drop protection. Now I think this is going to be my daily driver, but one reason why I don't like this case is because it's not clear, so you can't see the beautiful rose gold of the iPhone XS. But still, this is ideal for when I'm hitting it up in the gym in Central Athletic Club, hitting Skinner's Park for a jog in case the phone falls, no problem. You have the cutout there for the mute switch. You have really clicky buttons, which Speck does a really good job of. You have the power button there, the top of the case, the bottom of the case. You have good cutouts for the port. Anyhow, Adrian here, peace out.